welcome back to another video. We're really sorry that we didn't get our video out on Sunday as we usually do. If you guys are anything like us, the holidays have hit real fast. It's been wild.
And we've been doing a few things around our community and a couple things, playing some music out in the community just to try to bring some Christmas cheer. Yeah. Please forgive us. We're doing all we can. You know, it's a tough time, and it's especially during all of this, and of course dealing with tracking packages. Like,
gosh almighty.
There are a lot of packages that are coming that I'm sure for me haven't been very many for her. Do I have to wait for Christmas?
Yes.
If her Christmas presents don't come, does that mean can I still have Christmas?
Basically, yes.
Christmas is who you spend it with. Your hands are really cold.
You're so sweet.
Your hands are cold.
Oh, well, you get over it. As Garrett said, we have been just knee-deep in all the craziness of the holidays. You know, ordering presents, sending out cards, you know, trying to figure out what we're doing the day of, especially this year. They're kind of suggesting that you maybe don't spend it with your family like you're used to. And that's something that, you know, everybody kind of has to weigh the pros and cons and decide for themselves if they're going to do that or not. We've also had some family things come up in the last couple weeks, so that's taken more of our time away from, you know, working on a video. So again, we're sorry that we didn't get one out on Sunday, but we're here now, so.
Anyway, a Christmas video is what we've been wanting to do for a while. Usually, and by usually, I think we've done it every year, right? Since we've lived here. On Black Friday, we spend the day decorating. We don't go out shopping. We never have. We never finish that first day.
It usually takes the entire day. Like, we start at like 8 a.m. and then we don't stop until late in the evening. So yeah, it's a lot. We're very jolly here.
Well, and we usually cook our meal for some of our family because the way our family works, I have a huge family, so we spend like Thanksgiving with one set of family, and then we cook for the other set of family the next day. The next day for Black Friday. So I'm usually trying to cook while we're setting up some things outside, and this year we didn't have to do that, so things moved.
We didn't have to cook.
We didn't have to cook. Nobody came over.
It was weird.
But we got everything done.
Yeah, we did. We got all the decorating done.
Yeah.
So obviously we're not away at some, you know, other location right now, although you don't know that because you've never been in our house, but we're at home. So we thought that this week leading into Christmas, we would just sit down and give you all a little glimpse into our house for Christmas, what we like to decorate, and talk about some of the things that we like to do for the holidays with our family. Since we started dating, our plans or what we do on Christmas Day have stayed pretty consistent. We usually go to Garrett's family's house. My family usually comes over also, and we all just kind of spend it together, both of our families together, which has been really, really nice because I know that sometimes there's a lot of families that don't do it that way. It's easier because we don't have to jump from house to house and, you know, all that. It's nice. It's nice to have everybody under one roof. We usually get up in the morning and we open our presents to each other at home, and then we load the dogs up and head to his family's house.
So we have 3 dogs, of course, our 3, and then my brother has some dogs, and my mom has a dog, so there are usually around 6 dogs in a house that is not made for 6 dogs.
No. It's not even made for 3.
Despite what you might think.
Yeah.
We don't live extravagantly.
No.
And it's always chaos, and
it's part of what makes it fun.
Yeah, like I think when we were kids, my mom didn't relish the chaos of my brother and I, but now she seems to really like it.
Yeah.
She likes having the chaos.
I think she likes it because she can send them home to their wives now. Yeah, yeah, it's a lot of fun. We eat dinner, we open presents, and then we just kind of relax and lay around. As Garrett said, there's usually 6 dogs, 3 of which are quite large. Actually 4 of which are pretty big, and then we've got the 2 smaller ones. So it's chaos, but it's fun. We have a good day. So.
this kind of wraps up our little Christmas tour. We hope you have a wonderful holiday season, and I think now's a good time. We'd like to know what you do for the holidays. What are your traditions? What do you eat? Oh my gosh, what do you eat? How do you decorate? What is one of those traditions that you just never ever do without? Let us know in the comments. We will read them, we'll reply, and also, sad news.
We will not have a video next weekend with all the Christmas, festivities and all that stuff. We're probably not, we know we're not going to have time to put a movie together or a video together. So there will be no video next week. Sorry, but we will be back the next week. Anyway, we hope you all have a wonderful holiday season, however you choose to spend it, whether you choose to spend it with a bunch of family or just at home by yourselves. Enjoy yourselves. Take care. Be safe. Be safe. Be safe, and we won't see you this weekend, but we will see you next weekend.
We will see you next year.
Yes. We'll see you next year.
Bye. I don't think I'm allowed to show this, but that star looks pretty great. But if you back up, that star is crooked. And that's... Are you done? Is it good enough? Okay. Look at her. You wouldn't even know she had teeth.
Hello.
Oh, I wasn't ready.
Oh, sorry.
You're just like, oh, are we gonna be ready to go? And you're just like, I was like, you're like, okay, let's see what our tasks are. And you're like, hello!